Hello guys, after you have drawn the rectangle from the previous screen, now we will be able to start with our LOL doll named Fancy. So first, on the first two rectangles, we're going to draw a circle for the head, and then we will use a protractor for the eyes. Now try to make them centered and big. It almost takes up the whole space of the second rectangle. And then add the circles on the eye, the eyelashes, eyeliner, and eyebrows. And then her hair is just like Crystal Queen's hair. She has her bangs, her tiara with little circles, and then she has a bun on the back. Now for the body, she has a pear shape like all of the LOL dolls, and then make her legs chubby and create the little shoe. It's just a simple little oval. And then she has a dress. The dress has a lot of bows. So she has two on top, and then the dress separates on the middle. And she has sleeves, little puffy sleeves. And then at the bottom, she has a little ruffle, and then three big bows. So now let's just go over with the marker, and I'm using a thick marker to create the eyeliner. And then the same marker, I'm gonna color in the circle of the eye. And then with the thinner marker, I'm gonna go over the rest of the eye, the eyelashes, and the mouth, and the nose. The head, I'm gonna make it with the thick marker, and the ears as well. Now for the hair, I'm gonna use the thinner marker to add more detail. And then the thin marker for the rest of the hair. And the tiara just has a bunch of little circles around the shape we created. And then let's outline the dress. For the dress, since it has a lot of detail, we will use the thin marker. So for the ruffles, we're gonna use just squigglies, and then bunch of like a lace, we're gonna use the little bumps. And let's create the three big bows, and then the ruffles on the bottom. And then her arms are pretty chubby. And then erase every pencil mark that you have. Now for coloring. Her hair is brown, and her tiara is pink. Her skin color is light. So we're gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna try to color from the top to the bottom, since I am using oil pastels and they can get pretty messy. But if you don't know how to use them, you can always start with the lightest color so it does not mix, and then it bleeds into your lighter color if you're using dark colors. And for the pink one, there was two shades, so one I smudged it and made it lighter, and then the other I didn't, to be darker. Guys, so if you would like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe, and for more content, follow me on Facebook and Instagram.